see. Okay.
I think they come when they're cold.
Oh, okay, here. Now, in the car.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, Grandpa rolls
Yeah,
up
he's
his
got
window.
crap all over
You
his
got
face.
flies and burrs, you poor guy. Aw.
You want the window down?
Well,
There's disinfectant wipes back there.
Hey, Annie, you want to give you a kiss now?
Goodbye. Goodbye. Nasty.
he's like Big Ben. Oh yeah, he's bringing his own flies. Look at, where is he?
Let's go.
Yeah,
That's enough
I'm
of the dog.
cleaning.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh,
There they are, out in front of the car.
nasty. Here.
Here's the
Did
other.
you get the one? Did you have video going when he snorted?
I think I did.
Ugh.
That was
It's on
kind
my
of funny.
glasses.
He was just telling you he loved you.
Oh my goodness.
Nasty. Alright, I gotta get cleaned up before we can go further.
You thought Jim sneezing was bad.
Check the video, see if it's on there.
Here, yeah, well here, I still have video, it's still on, so
Oh.
just get the,
Oh.
the little donkey up front there. I wanted the little one for the kids. There we go. Let's see what happens when the M comes forward with the little one. Got the main dude.
Yeah, my window's out.
He's gonna come visit Eric.
Hey guys.
He'd like to go. Oh, here he
Okay,
comes.
let's get out of here.
Oh. Get out of here, go.
He's licking